In this tutorial, we will load a vector file in QGIS using Python. To write the Python code, click Plugins menu and then Python console. Now click Show Editor. Here we can write our Python codes. This is the code we will use to load a vector file in QGIS. I'll share the code with you so that you can easily copy paste and use this code. Now let's have a quick look on this code. First, we define the file path of the vector data. Here we need to pass our vector file path. To copy the vector file path, go to your folder and right click on the vector file. Click Copy as Path. Now go back to the QGIS and paste the vector path using Ctrl V. This can be a GeoJSON, shapefile or geopackage. Next we give the layer a name. Let's name it polygon. This is the name that will appear in the layers panel of QGIS. Then we create a QGIS vector layer using QGIS vector layer, and we used OGA data provider which supports most vector formats. After that we check if the layer is valid. If the layer loads successfully, it is added to the current QGIS project. If not, an error message will be printed, that is, layer failed to load. This is the simplest way to load vector data using PyQGIS. Now let's run the code and see. You can see we have successfully loaded our vector data in QGIS using Python. Thanks for watching.